So this is our egg. I already have it in water. I'm already parboiling it. I have 20 pieces of egg. 20. So I'm going to be using 2 fish for the fish roll. So just watch and see, guys. Then we are going to put half spoon of pepper. Half spoon of pepper in our fish for the fish roll. So Maggi. Chicken powder Maggi. Now I've washed my hand. I will mix it. Then I will take it to the frying machine behind the camera. Because I'm not going to be using pepper when I am seasoning it with the red bay pepper, I'm going to use the red bay pepper for the fish roll. Now, this is how it look like. Then we'll put it on the what's it called? Frying machine. So now, you see, this is what we are going to use to fry it. So our egg is ready. We should start breaking. So I will use my hand behind the camera to break all the eggs. Remove the skin. Now I have peeled the egg behind the camera. We have 20 egg here. So I've also washed it, rinsed it because of some of the kanda. So let's go for the fish now because we are making fish roll and egg roll. So on our fish, we will fry. Now I will remove all the skin, remove all the bone behind the camera. Then I will show you the next step. When you have removed your bone, this side will be. Then I will massage it and show you guys. So after when I don't already use a glass cup to massage and so it be, then I will show you the next level. We have onions. I have my red bay pepper. I just parboil it and put it in the freezer. Then the onions is ready. You just cut it little by little. So now our groundnut oil. We don't need too much. This is what we be able to carry the fish. You turn it together till you get brown, like you go brown. Maybe say you not go too show. This one is the way the onion is supposed to be. Then you add the red bay pepper. Mix it together. Mix it. This is where we are going to add our fish to. Now so it be now. This is how it look like. Mona not mind me. I go dey miss on my English. Anyone where I speak Mona manager. If I speak good one, bad one, me and my fans, we have to. So after when you don't mix them together, this is what you will have. Maybe this I don't really. Now to leave and make it dry. Make it cold, then we start our baking. So these are the things that we are going to be using. We have 6 eggs, 20 eggs for the egg roll, the fish, 3 kilo. We are using 2 kilo, but we'll keep extra. It's very important whenever you are baking. Our sugar, vanilla sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, salt. Our baking powder. We have 2 plates, so vanilla sugar to give it good aroma. Do the same thing for here. Sugar. We are adding all our dry ingredients. Nutmeg. Sorry guys, there is a little bit of noise because of the. I don't mix the dry ingredients together. The 2 of them. Now what I get now they use so. We don't put our butter behind the camera, please. You don't need too much. Milk. This is what you get. This Since when my ring light is spoiled, now which are the face be this? This is the first dough. One thing that you need to know, the mixing of egg roll is different from the mixing of fish roll. So this is for the egg roll. This is for the fish roll. Fish roll. Make. You see? The strongness is different for the one for the egg roll. So this one, the dough of this one should be more stronger than the one for egg roll. We have through, we cover it for 30 minutes. This one our granola here. This pot one at the 6 so you don't fry more than I don't think cut how many go leave and small. So now we are about to start. I know very so my baby day here. I have 10 more so baby. Just cut it like you will be taking it one by one. This one is the one we have done already. So these are all we have done. Then I will go and fry it. This is the length of the fish roll. Then you will roll it. Then we'll roll it. So this is our fish roll. We have more than 20 pieces. The person ordered for 10 pieces. So extra for the family. We are frying the egg roll now. As you can see. Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer a billion tests. Are you guys getting the vibe? Already. You see what we got? Yes. Handwork the pail. Now the second one be this. As you can see. This one now the one we already fried. Maybe this.
I don't feel built out, I don't get out. This man want to.
Yes, this is the second one, my people. Now the fish will be this. As you can see. This is for my clients. Somebody ordered for it. So I don't know the reason and anywhere you are, send me your location and I'll post for you. The second part of the fish roll. So this is the end of the video. This is our results. I have the buns for the kids. As you can see, this is all the fish roll. So please leave your comments in the comment section. Sorry, excuse me. As you do so, God bless you. Follow Mommy Blessing page. Tell me wherever you are watching from, and God bless you. I love you guys. Bye-bye.